Hello and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you all how to create a new project inside of Photoshop. And so, let's get right to it. Now, what you want to do in order to create a new project is go up to the top of your Photoshop to the very left where it says File. And you want to click on this file and you will have a brought down of many options. What you want to do is press new right here and this box will show up. And now you can title this anything. For now, I will be titling it Photoshop Tutorial. Now, once you have titled it, you can change the size or the resolution of your project and even the color. So you can make it any background color, transparent, and white. Most people use white, but you can choose whichever one. And here you can select the width and the height and the measurements in which you want to use it. So whether it's centimeters, inches, pixels, you can do whichever one you want. In this case, I'm using inches, so I'll use width for 11 and the height will be 8.5 inches. And all you have to do is press OK and a new project has been made. Now, another way to do this is you use your shortcut for Control and the letter N, and once you do this same screen will pop up, and you can do the same thing I just said. Name, title your project, and you can adjust the width, height, resolution, as well as the color. And that is how you can create a new project inside of Photoshop.